Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about my skin pampering routine. I do it on a weekly basis and I wouldn't recommend you guys doing it for more than once a week because it could even react to your skin. So once a week would be very good, and all the products I've used in this video are like super affordable. I've even mentioned the products in the description in case you want to check it out. You can just go there and check it out. I don't do much to my skin. All of this is super simple. You might be like, Intena, yeah, because I don't do much to my skin. I'm a super lazy person. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. Let's jump right into the video. So firstly, I'm just gonna wash my face. You know what face wash I used if you have watched my previous video. I used the Himalayas Neem face wash. So I'll go wash my face and be right back. Always make sure you're massaging your face in an upward direction. That's really good for your skin while washing your face. So now that I've washed my face and I feel squeaky clean, I'll move on to the next step. I'm going to remove the blackheads around my nose area. I haven't removed them since the start of the lockdown because I was out of my nose strips and Amazon was not delivering. And now that Amazon is delivering, I'm like super happy, and I ordered like 3 dabbas of these nose strips. So I'll be using this, but here's a magic tip which I can give you. Before using a nose strip, if you just use a vaporizer or a steamer like this to just around your nose area, it opens up the pores and it's like super easy to remove those blackheads, and it's even more effective than just putting on the nose strip. So that's what I do. That's like a little tip which I wanted to give you. And you may ask me like,
we don't have a vaporizer. Now what can we do?
So all you can do is, just while washing your face, make sure you're using warm water, lukewarm water to hot water around your nose area while you're washing your face. So that as well opens up your pores. But using this is a little more effective. That works as well. So you can do that as well if you don't have a vaporizer. So now I think the vapors have started to come out. Let's just steam my face. Make sure you're not just putting it in one place. It might as well burn your skin, so make sure you keep moving it from place to place. If you just put it like here, after some time it might burn your skin and you might turn like a red tomato. Once you're done steaming your face, we'll move on to the next step. I'll be using these Hip Hop Skincare Cleansing Charcoal Nose Strips. So there are a lot of nose strips available in the market, but I've used only this because A, it's super cheap, and B, for the price I think it works amazingly. So I love it. And now let's put it on. So for those of you who are using the nose strip for the first time, this thing you see, this bump, that bump should come on the niche wala side. As you can see, this bump has to come here, and then you go like this, then pull it neatly. And I do this little thing, I do like this little circular motions because I feel that the blackheads get stuck to the nose strip really well. You have to wait for like 10 to 15 minutes till this dries and you can take it off. So meanwhile, let's go and apply a face mask. I'll be using the VLCC Whitening and Detoxifying Charcoal Face Pack. I really love this face mask. I've used it like 6 to 7 times I think. I almost use it like every weekend, so that's how much I love it. So let's just put this on. I don't have a brush or anything, so I'm just gonna use my finger to apply the face mask. For a few of you, it could be like you can't do without getting your brows done, getting your upper lips done and stuff. For me, I can't do without removing my blackheads. I don't know, it annoys me so much. I don't know why. Now that the mask is on, we're gonna let it dry for like 10 to 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's have a little chit chat. So few of you DM me on Instagram asking me how do I have such a clear skin, what do I do to my skin, how do I take care of my skin. So for all of you, the first and foremost step is you need to have a really good digestion. Yes, you might be like, yes, that really affects on your skin because digestion is like that one start point from where all the problems start. That's what my father always told me. My father always told me that you need to keep a check on what you're having and not asking you to completely cut off on junk. Even I have a lot of junk, I know, but make sure there's a balance between both of them. So and the second point is that have loads of water. Keep sipping on water continuously. Your body needs to be hydrated. So that also helps in processing your food really fast and having a good digestion. That's all I do. There's nothing else I do. I just keep a check on what's going inside my body. For all of you who asked me what I do to my skin, that's all I do to my skin.
A few moments later.
Yeah, it's been like 12 to 30 minutes and I feel that my nose strip is already over dried. So this is the hard part, guys. I'll be honest with you, it does hurt. Depends on the pain tolerance, but it does pain, guys. People might show you
Like, la. Lekha. There.
but it's nothing like that. It does pain. So while peeling off the nose strip, I can give you a tip. While peeling off the nose strip, rather than peeling it off from one direction, make sure you're using both your hands and then peel it off like this from both the directions. I didn't do it. Peel it off from both the directions and after you come to the middle, from upar se you peel it off. So that was a lot of blackheads. So now I'll just go wash off my face. So I'll be washing my face with lukewarm water. I'm not going to use cold water. I'll start washing my face with lukewarm water and slowly I'll keep massaging it and I'll be right back. So I'm back. So after you're done washing your face, don't go ahead and rub your face like a mad person. Don't do that ever. Just gently pat dry your face. Don't go and do this to your face. Please don't do that to your face. Next step I'm gonna do is put on a lip balm. You know, it's the Maybelline Baby Lips lip balm. And next, I'm gonna spritz my face with some Beautyco Cucumber facial mist. Whenever I use this facial mist, my face feels fresh. Just gonna spritz a little bit. Just let it dry for it takes up to 15 to 20 seconds to dry. I go ahead and use a moisturizer. I would use the Garnier Wrinkle Lift moisturizer, but I'm out of it, so I'll be using the Biotique's Morning Nectar moisturizer. So yeah, that's how my skin looks. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope this video helped you guys. If it did, let me know in the comment section below, and if you're trying it out, let me know if it worked for you. Let me know in the comment section below, and I have mentioned all the products I've used in the comments in the description below. Please make sure you check it out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.